Hey everybody, it's Robyn and welcome to the Robyn's Nest. Today on my channel, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Cocomelon cake. Now this little cartoon is taking YouTube by storm. It is so adorable and the little Cocomelon logo is just so cakeable. How can I not make one? So that's what we're going to be doing today. Now let's get into it. So for today's cake, I'm starting out with 3 6-inch vanilla cake layers. Now I'm going to begin by leveling out 2 of these cake layers, then we're going to stack, fill, and chill our cake in preparation for carving. And now it's off to the fridge for about 20 or 30 minutes to chill, or you can put it in the freezer for about 10 or 15. Alright, so once your cake has had some time to chill, it's time to start carving. Now, we need our cake to have a bit of a rounded shape to it, but not perfectly round. So I'm just going to trim a little bit off the top edge here and round that out, and then we're also going to taper in a little bit at the bottom. And I'm just going to be using a serrated knife to do the job. And there we go, we finished our carving. Now you will notice I did carve off a little bit more than I said I was going to, because once I did the top and the bottom, the sides were bulging a little bit and we needed them to be a little more straight up and down. So I trimmed that down and straightened those up, and now it's time for our crumb coat. So once you finished your crumb coat, you're going to want it to fully crust over before you do your final coat of icing. So we're going to pop this back in the fridge to chill for about 20 or 30 minutes, and while we're waiting, we're going to work on some fondant decorations. So for my first decoration, I'm going to be making the rainbow colored Cocomelon logo font. And as you can see, I've already done up a little stencil here, and I've already cut it all out and it's all ready to go. And I've also mixed up all the rainbow colors that I'm going to need because I'm going to be using a different color for each different letter. Alright, there is our rainbow logo font and I think it looks very cute. So now it's time to move on to his adorable little face and his cute little antennas. So for the face we're going to be using some white, some pink, and a little bit of black. And I've drawn up a stencil that we're going to use to mark off all the little facial features and then piece them all together where they belong. Then for the antennas, we're just going to roll out some simple snake shapes. We're going to feed some flower wire through those, add some little balls on the end, and then we're going to bend them and set everything off to the side to dry, and then we can start our final coat of icing. So for my final coat, we're going to be using the same small offset spatula to apply a nice generous coat of icing all over our cake. Except this time we're going to use a small flexi smoother to smooth everything out and give us some nice smooth curves all the way around. And then once I'm finished that, we're going to give our little Cocomelon some stripes. So for our stripes, I rolled out a nice large piece of green fondant and I rolled it out fairly thin. And I'm going to use this little template of a stripe to cut out about 10 or 12 of these to go all the way around the circumference of the cake. Now once I get them in place and I'm happy with how that looks, I'm going to add all my finishing touches and I'll show you guys what it looks like. And ta-da! Here it is, guys, my Cocomelon cake. Isn't it cute? And I even added his cute little ladybug too. I think it turned out awesome. I just love it. And this cake was really simple to make and it worked up really quick too, which is why I think it's a cake anybody could do. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Leave me a big thumbs up and lots of love in the comment section too. And if you haven't done so already and you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you receive a notification every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!